Setting and developing a business plan is really an exercise in being able to critically evaluate your business. It's good to be able to sit down and think about what are the things that are integral to my business, things that could affect those. So, the environment, for example, if I am purchasing, equipment, and then being able to understand, where's that interest rate, or if I'm, financing the purchase of the equipment, how is the interest rates going to affect it? So you want to think about all of the different factors that are going to impact your business. And so in that way, it's really like a mental exercise.
Yeah.
It's not just a matter of having this thing to be able to, again, have a goal. It's good to have that direction, but it's also good to think about what are the aspects. So it's like if you're making a workout plan, you wouldn't just go to the gym. I mean, some people do, but ideally you wouldn't just go to the gym and be like, well, maybe if I just start picking up some weights, I'll get stronger. It's good to think about, what am I trying to get stronger at, and what are the best exercises for me to achieve that? And then also, outside of that, you can think about the diet plan. So it brings it all together into a more holistic view.